Hi everyone, this is Lolly. Me, not her. This is not Lolly, this is Julie, and her YouTube channel is Three Sisters Sundries. We are at the Doodlebug Let's Get Creative event, and she came up with this great idea for something to put inside of these traveler's notebooks. Now she's going to explain her idea here.
Okay, I wanted to make a pocket and have one side a shaker and one side a zipper. So what my idea was...
How did you make this piece then?
So I put some of this packaging,
kind of like cellophane bags?
Cellophane packaging inside and cut it to size that would fit in the traveler's notebook, and then laminated it with a 1/2 inch gap in between two pieces. So the idea is to cut the top of this side, fill it with shaker bits, tape it off with packing tape, then cut this side open, and I have a used bag. But
zipper bag.
Cut the zipper off of this zipper bag and put it inside that opening and
for a pocket.
Tape that in as a zipper pocket. So,
and you'll notice that red zipper kind of matches, kind of goes with some of the pretty close to that.
But then we're going to cover with some cute washi tape that matches the Hello collection from Doodlebug.
Very cute. Great idea. So we're going to play around with these, and then we will stay tuned. We're going to show you how it turned out. Okay, we are back, and we just finished our shakers, and so Julie wants to show you what we did. I'm going to get closer here and show this. Okay, go ahead.
So these are our notebooks. This is the Hello collection from Doodlebug, and look at that.
Isn't that gorgeous? She put a gold stripe cardstock.
And then the cute little cut apart. And then on the back, I also put shaker bits so that the cuteness is on both sides. And you flip over to the other side, and it's a zipper pocket that you can put your pens or your scissors or whatever you want.
What a fabulous idea. That turned out so well.
I am very pleased with how it turned out.
What a fabulous idea she had here. I love how this is mine, and I did mine a little different.
She did hers so that she could have a dashboard so you can write on it, use it as a writing surface.
Or put sticky notes on it. And there's
the
inside,
mine. She put lots of bling in there.
Yeah.
With another little cut apart, and then she did a little border with her border punch and put it across, and it looks like a cute little roof. It matches the cute little roof on there.
And this, by the way, these notebooks here come with the notebooks when you buy them. You get one insert.
You get one insert with it, and then
there's my
Lolly zipper pocket. And then it zips up.
Julie really rocked this one. So this is fabulous. Now I'm going to give you her YouTube channel underneath this video for those of you who are my subscribers, and I guess those of you who are her subscribers might get the link to my channel. So we're going to both share this same video. So thank you for watching. We are having a blast, loving this at the Doodlebug Let's Get Creative event, and this is just, I love this gold paper. So again, this collection from Doodlebug is called Hello. It's one of the new collections this year, and so look at this. Isn't that cute? We're also going to have a class pretty soon today. We're going to have a class where we're going to make, or something, I don't know, she's being mysterious.
It has to do with this, though.
She's mysterious.
It has to do with this.
Susie West, we're going to do something. I don't know if making inserts or what, something she just said decorate the inside. So we'll have to show you what that looks like too. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, bye. Hi, this is Julie. I'm back with Lolly, and we have finished our traveler's notebooks, and we've got them all decorated, so we wanted to show you what we did in our class. So here's Lolly to show you hers.
Okay, so just let you put it on that. So this is the Hello collection. This is the Hello Traveler's Notebook. You can see how chunky this is. This is so fun. So they gave us all of these little cutouts in the class. We had bought these, I think they're called jelly clips. The rubbery paper clips. So we have all these little cutouts just decorating the pockets here. I have a little tag in this pocket. This is one of the inserts. Let's see if I can find the whole thing. This is one insert right here. So what we did in class was we decorated the front of that with this beautiful tag. Love that camera. It's just everything just works so well. Beautiful. Look at these birds too. Everything works so well together.
The papers are so cute.
They are so cute, and we just kept saying cute, cute all weekend. So
cute overload.
And then we put some of these little clear pockets from Target, you know, in there by ourselves. So those are extra. We did this in class too. This is the first page. This is an envelope. We had all of these. They're called Chit Chat and Odds and Ends. Were the 2 packs I think that we got. And they had these.
We just got the odds and ends.
Odds and ends, right? Yeah. Right. This was just odds and ends. So this was what do you call it? Acrylic? Acetate flour. We're so tired that it's getting hard to think. But they gave us like these strips that we could cut apart. So here you have this little pocket to put things in. Very cute. And we decorated the next page too. This is another pocket, and this has an acetate flower thing here that we can grab and pull open like this. So there's these little banners, lots of different layers. And so that was one of the things that Susie West did a lot, was to give us a lot of layers to work with. Very cute. And then after class, we got to play, so I just put some washi in, tab. This was given to us in class. This little, it's also one of the jelly paper clips. We just added our own organza, but actually this came on a package of candy corn that we were given. So we just been playing around. The rest of this is all blank, but then we have the next insert. So when you have a traveler's notebook, each individual paper pack basically is called an insert. So this one ends right here. This one is a gold foil one, and this is the front. These are all layered paper cutouts that were in the collection, and some of the little, what do you call these? These sprinkles? Dots.
Oh yeah, they're sprinkles.
Enamel dots. Anyway, yeah. But look how this opens up. And then we've got a little tag up in here. Sorry, get my hand out of the way. A little tag with more ribbon on there. Netting, nylon netting. And I love this on the cover. Great place for it. I put another sticker inside mine, a sticker pocket, clear, and then I could just put some of the ephemera down in there. This is we decorated this in class, so this is actually supposed to be a card with a tab up here, and it opens this way. We just turn them sideways and put this is also from the kit. This is all the Hello collection, all these papers, all of the ephemera you see are from the collection. Little bicycle. You don't usually see the bicycle from the front on, like usually side pictures. That was just really cute. I love the tags sticking out. This is the washi that goes with the collection. This is part of the collection. And before we came, I had cut out some of the images that Doodlebug makes, and I did it through the Silhouette Design Studio. They sell this image in the Silhouette Design store, and so Julie had the idea to put 2 together and make a tab, and it is so cute. She's got lots of ideas. Now, we already showed you the beginning of this. This was the shaker pocket that we made. That was Julie's idea. So we did this at the beginning. This is the last insert that we have right here. This we did not decorate in class, but we did this afterwards, and I have a little tab on mine. I love this bird cage. It's so cute. But we did decorate this in class, and so we've got one of these bicycles, little butterfly popped up, so many pop-ups. It makes this really chunky. I put another sticker in here. But you can just see all the colors here. It's just gorgeous. This is part of the washi from the collection. Hello. Very cute gold foil. Another one of those cameras. This is also washi, which from the collection, which matches the cover of this journal. Part of the collection, and then this is the back. The zipper pouch that we were saying we were going to make. I put all my cameras in there. And then another thing that we did that we didn't show you yet was we made shakers. So these are dollar store stickers that are, there's 2 in a pack, 2 in each sheet, and there's several sheets in a pack. And they're meant to go on the spine of like a book or a 3-ring binder like this.
Oh, sorry, I'm not getting that. Okay, there we go.
And so we just stuck it onto this polka dot paper and then filled it and then sealed the top off with tape and put a sticker on there. But see, very, very cute. I'll get yours in a second for you if you want.
Oh, mine are way over
And
there.
then this one is, Julie made these for us by putting the cellophane bags inside the laminating machine, and so then cutting off the top. So we put paper and shakers. These, what are these called again?
Oh, tokens.
Tokens. These are called tokens. They have these like enamel or thick acrylic images with a dot, with a hole in them. They are so cute. I love them. I'm going to go get Julie's she wants to show
close
you.
up.
She wants to show you her shakers, which are right here.
I didn't put paper in mine. I just did mine clear and then added a little bicycle sticker and some washi at the top and my initial in this cute glitter foam letter. So anyway, they're just so fun to shake.
Shake it up, baby, now.
And then my other one looks pretty close to Lolly's. I just used a different color of sticker on the top and probably added more sequins than really should be in there, but they're so fun. Anyway.
And let's look at the beginning of hers. She really has hers decked out so pretty. Isn't that cute? And I love that it gives us this little name tag here to put in there. And these are stickers from the collection. So the whole thing is so adorable. So cute, so adorable.
Yes, cute overload. Cute overload. It's been the cutest weekend we've ever spent.
Yeah! Thank you guys for watching. This is Lolly signing out.